Hey everybody, how are you doing? And I am bringing you just well, actually this is going to be a wreath haul. But this wreath, I got the inspiration from my Mackenzie child catalog. And I'll insert a picture of it right now. Okay, now this garland, I don't know if I'm going to use it for that. I probably will. I love getting these when they're half off. Very good price. I really like Hobby Lobby's garland. Michael's, to me, it's hit and miss. I like some of them, but I don't know. I just care for Hobby Lobby a little bit more as far as their garland goes. All right, so I got that. And in the picture, there was a lot of purple in it with the turnips, and they're doing more of a vegetable theme, which is so cute. Well, anyway, I couldn't find turnips, but they had artichoke, turnips, and I think they had tulips because it's more of a spring type. But I'm going to keep mine up probably most spring into summer. But anyway, I got this because of the colors in it, because you can see the purple and the greens, so it will look really pretty with these artichokes. And these artichokes look so real, you guys. I mean, they really look real. But if you put it with, like I said, I don't know that I'm using this, okay? I'm not sure yet, but I am using this for sure. But look at how pretty that goes with it. And then they had some darker artichokes. Do you see the difference in color? I love greens. I love the avocado, the light avocado. But anyway, these will go into it. And then I also got 3 of these, and I don't even know, there is no name, but they're more of a light green. So that's going to pull this avocado, right? So I'm going to be using those. And then I got a couple sprigs of this rosemary that will also go in it. So I don't know for sure what, I don't know if I'll be using any kind of floral because I don't have any of the color of the tulip that they used in it. And theirs almost looked like it was made of paper. I know it's different than just silk, but I don't know exactly what it is. So I'm going to have to improvise to some degree. But I think it's going to be pretty. So that's it. Very small haul, but it's a haul only for this particular Mackenzie child inspired wreath.